to cut out hair for this picture, simply go to the left pane in the section tool. Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can cut out hair for this picture and remove this background. So first of all, in the right side in your picture layer, click here in the lock to unlock this layer. Okay, the second step, go to the selection tool, quick selection tool, or by hotkey click W. Okay, here guys on the top, select subject. Okay, as you can see, we can also zoom in by Ctrl and space. Okay, and adjust the selection. Okay, here click Alt to decrease the selection. Okay, Alt, Ctrl Alt space to zoom out. Okay, now right click, select inverse, then delete. Click or press delete. That's it. Now in the right pane, create new layer. Okay, let's give this layer a background color. Okay, a blue one. So as you can see, we have a new background. So you can also insert another layer, another picture, another background. It's so easy guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.